In the sessions, we can learn how we can change and control the full background and also the font setting in Excel. Let's say, for example, we would like to apply different background color to the title or the column headings that we have now. So in order to do that, we are going to use this menu options here, which is called fill color. And in this, if I open the drop down menu, you can see all the different colors available, and these colors depend on the theme that you have installed in Excel. This will be done by default, but you can also change the theme, which will change the colors available. For example, if I move the color from white background, that is default one, to the orange one, see, automatically it's get changed, right? The same way, if I move from orange to green, it's changed, right? And to the blue, and similar way again gray color. And most important things to keep in mind is that these colors are also depend on the version of Excel you have. In this window, there's a fourth section. One is theme colors, second one is standard colors, and third one is no field colors. That is, by default the cell actually had no field selected, which means there is no color background in cell. And the fourth one is more color. That's a combination which you can select based on your criteria. For example, if I click on this, you can see the standard and custom, right? If you move the cursor over here, you can see n number of the combination. In case if I select particular color, for example, I just selected this color. As soon as I click on OK, and again I click on here, you can see that one section has been added called recent colors. Under that, you can see that same colors has been appeared, right? And as I said, when I hover my mouse any of this color, you can see that the preview of the cells that have been selected. We can also change the color of the font or the text that appear. For example, for background color, I'm just clicking on this green, and next to that, the fill color option, you can see the text color, that is the font color. So for that, by default it's showing the black color, right? I just want to make it as white color. So since it's already selected, I'm just going here, and you can see the white option, right? See, the same color has been appeared here. That is, background is green and the font or text color is white. So keep in mind that by default Excel will show the background color as white and text color as black. Okay. And another way you can get into these option would be to click here, this small icon here. As soon as I click on this, a dialog box will appear. That's called the format cell. And the format cell dialog box gives you the more control with different options over the settings than what you see on the menu here in the home ribbon. And here you will have the most often needed, most used options like font style, the size, effects, color, and the preview. Preview in a sense, when you opt to put the particular options, the same preview will appear here. So once you're happy with this preview, or once you confirm with the preview, after that you just click on it, then only it will get finalized in the main sheet. For example, I just want to make that font of this heading. So since I already selected, by default showing the Calibri as a font, and I want to make it as Arial black. I just selected here. After that, and make it as italic, and make the changes, and the font sizes make it as 22. Color, I'm going to make it as light yellow. See, you can see the preview over here, but the main sheet it's not showing because Excel is waiting for your confirmation. That means as soon as I click on this, see, it already appeared here, right? So I'm just Control Z again, and again, for example, if I select this particular cell and going back to the same window, and you can see the strike through option. If I click on this, you can see the preview of the same, right? And if I give the confirmation, you can see that strike through over that particular text. Just putting the Control Z again and going back to the same option. Similar way, you can opt for the superscript, the same with the subscript as well. Okay, hope you clear this topic, and please do that practice. Let's move to the next.